If you want to set a custom message tone on the Motorola signature, what you need to do is you need to go to settings. Then over here in settings, you can proceed to sound and vibration. And then we are looking for default notification sound. And then over here you should be able to press add notification in order to choose an audio file from your phone. Of course, you want to select it and then tap on this check in order to add it to the list. Now, keep in mind that notification sound, the default notification sound, changes sounds for every notification. This of course includes messages, new messages that you receive on your phone, but not only that. So if you want to set a custom sound just for new messages and only for new messages, then what you can do is you can actually go back to the settings and choose apps instead. Then over here we need to go to Messages app, so you might have it somewhere over here, or you will need to tap on all apps, and then you need to find messages on this list. There we go. After that, open notifications in here, and then choose Show Unused Categories if you must, because sometimes you might see incoming messages immediately. This is what we are looking for. You want to tap on that, and then in here you need to choose the sound option. And now we can choose a different sound, and of course it can be a custom sound as well, so you can just do the same thing that you did before, just add a notification over here and choose your custom sound. Make sure that it is selected afterwards and tap on OK. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.